Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Best Egg and LendingClub, two popular online lending platforms. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of choosing between these two options, creating an account, and applying for a loan. First, let's start with an overview of Best Egg and LendingClub. Best Egg is a personal loan platform that offers loans ranging from $500 to $50,000. with interest rates starting at 5.99%. LendingClub, on the other hand, is a peer-to-peer lending platform that offers loans ranging from $1,000 to $40,000, with interest rates starting at 6.95%. To get started with either platform, you will need to create an account. This involves providing some basic information, such as your name, address, and social security number. You will also need to link your bank account and provide proof of income. Once you have created an account, you can begin the loan application process. The loan application process for both Best Egg and LendingClub is relatively straightforward. You will need to provide some additional information, such as your employment history and credit score. You will also need to specify the amount you want to borrow and the purpose of the loan. Based on this information, you will be presented with a range of loan options, including the interest rate and repayment terms. When choosing between Best Egg and LendingClub, there are several factors to consider. Best Egg is a good option for those with good credit, as it offers more competitive interest rates. LendingClub, on the other hand, is a better option for those with poorer credit, as it offers more flexible repayment terms. In terms of best practices, it's essential to carefully review the terms and conditions of your loan before accepting it. Make sure you understand the interest rate, repayment terms, and any fees associated with the loan. It's also important to make timely payments to avoid late fees and negative credit reporting. In conclusion, both Best Egg and LendingClub are viable options for those looking for a personal loan. By understanding the key features and benefits of each platform, you can make an informed decision about which one is right for you. Remember to carefully review the terms and conditions of your loan and make timely payments to ensure a positive experience.